It's Ryan over here. Today we're gonna build Silver and Grimtack. It has 232 pieces. It's a 7+ set and the Lego set number is 71863. Okay? Let's get ready. It's my first Lego video and it's my first channel. So make sure to subscribe and like. And make sure to comment and share as well. Okay? Let's start building. First we have to open it. It's very hard to open actually. Okay, I did it. So, one bag, 2 bag, 3 bag, sticker bag, and that's 4 bags, and bag 3. So, Silver and Grimtack. My very pleasure. So it has a bag. It has bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, and bag 4. And there's even a sticker palette and an instruction book like always. So first, we open the book. Then we turn around and do this. First we have to open bag 1. Alright guys? That's satisfying. So. Then we put that away. First we'll build Silver. It's okay. So first it tells us to get that piece. Okay, maybe be in here. Oh no, this is too hard. There. Okay, so I was right. So first part says Grimtack is in here. Alright guys? So first we are building Silver. This. Then it's this pocket piece thingy. My first time having it. And this torso. Next, we got this big. It's done. It's very easy. Okay. Wait for a second. Silver's done. Now we're gonna start building Grimtack. Okay, so now let's build Grimtack. Alright. make sure to watch till the end. Now, we got 2 of these. So this is my finishing touch and this is my pet Fluffle, okay? And look, see this? And look at him. You see? This is my 45 minutes hard work.
And likewise.
And likewise. And like the video. Okay? Like and subscribe. And make sure this guy does not chase you, okay? Bye.